Hi, I'm Josh with Roadpass Digital, and with my wife, we rent out a handful of RVs from our home base right near Glacier National Park. That's why I wanted to team up with Roadpass here, because I want to share with you our experience of renting RVs and show you literally from A to Z what you'd want to consider and what you'd want to do if you're looking at renting out your own RV. My goal for you is to help you figure out a fun and safe way that you can share your RV with other people and get paid for it. And that's true whether you aspire to rent out just a family RV or if you want to try and grow a fleet of 100 RVs. So that's why Roadpass and I are releasing this course where I will literally open up the hood of my business and share all the ins and outs of it to help you figure out if this is the right fit for you, and if so, what way you want to get involved in renting out your RV with other people. So coming up next, I'm going to give you just a sneak peek of what's in that course. So stay tuned and take a dive in so you can see what this is all about. In this video course, we'll chat about things like the basics of renting out your RV, questions to ask yourself before deciding to do this, and of course we'll talk about money, how much you might be able to make, and how much it's going to cost you potentially. We'll talk about how insurance works when you rent out your RV. We'll talk about where to list your RV for rent. We'll talk about how to list your RV. We'll talk about what to do when your first renter shows up. And finally, we'll share with you some marketing tips to help you keep your rig rented when you want it to be. And along the way, I'll be providing you with resources like PDF worksheets, sample budgets that will show you my real-time numbers, and other resources that'll help you get under the hood and see exactly what's going on with my RV rental business. All right, so there you have it, our sneak peek into this renting out your RV course that we put together for you. Remember, you can think of this course like your A to Z guide that'll get you everything you need to get rolling with RV rentals. Now that's true whether you're thinking of just renting out the one family RV or maybe one day you want to build a fleet of 100, we have stuff for you in this course. And the beautiful thing is to get started with this course, all you need to do is to create a free Roadpass account and just get started with the course right away. And we've put the link in the description so you can get rolling real easily with that. Now, I hope to see you tuning in as I just unpack all of this for you and really, again, just help you figure out whether this is the right fit for you. And if so, show you what I've done in my business and what I think you can do in yours to figure out how to make the most of RV rentals. Thanks for tuning in and hope to see you soon.